How to save archived stories on Facebook to your phone gallery. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can save your archived stories on Facebook to your phone, or how you can download it. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy. You want to first open up your Facebook application. You should get an face like this. Tap on your profile option and head into your profile there. Once on your profile, you want to tap on the three dots option that you'll find alongside edit profile option. Once you tap on it, you should get an face like this. You want to find the option that says archive. Here you can see under meta verified option the archive option. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you should get an face like this, and you can see the at the top left you can see story archive option. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see your every archive story here. What you want to do is, in order to save it, you can simply tap on that particular story that you wish to save, and once you tap on it, you'll see the three dots option there. You want to simply tap on three dots and you can see save video option. Simply tap on save video and you can see it's saving, and it'll be saved to my gallery. Now if I just head into my gallery real quick, it should be saved to my gallery. Here you can see it's saved. So this way you can save archive stories on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.